Today, I will make a snowstorm in the summer by using the Snow Simulator app on my phone, because in the summer, I feel so hot. First, I need to download the Snow Simulator app on my phone. There, it's finally downloaded. Now let's get into the app. Alright, snowstorm in San Francisco, California will be in 3 hours.
Honey, do you know why there is snow in our town during the summer?
I think it was someone who started the snowstorm in San Francisco, California.
Then this leads to Arthur creating a snowstorm in our town. Let's go drown him.
I think I hear the snowstorm. If I hear the snowstorm, it's more like it.
Why is there a snowstorm in our town?
Because I started a snowstorm in our town by using an app called Snow Simulator, because it feels so hot in the summer.
Oh. Arthur, snow happens only during winter, not summer. You're grounded for 347,612 years.